In life, we often encounter situations where words fly, tempers flare, and opinions clash. Sometimes we find ourselves caught in heated debates with people who seem more interested in being right than in seeking understanding. There's a saying, "Don't argue with donkeys." At first glance, it might sound harsh or dismissive, but beneath its surface lies a lesson about wisdom, energy, and self-respect. Imagine pouring your heart into a conversation, explaining your point with patience and clarity, only to be met with stubbornness and closed ears. No matter how logical or gentle your approach, these individuals remain unmoved, rooted in their own beliefs. It's as if you're speaking to a wall, expending energy without any hope of building a bridge. The donkey in this metaphor represents those who refuse to listen, who are closed off to growth, and who thrive on conflict rather than understanding. Arguing with such people rarely leads to resolution. Instead, it drains your spirit, clouds your mind, and diverts your focus from what truly matters. Wisdom lies in recognizing when your words are falling on deaf ears. It's about knowing when to step back, protect your peace, and invest your energy where it can make a difference. Life is too short to wrestle in the mud with those unwilling to rise above. By choosing not to argue with donkeys, you honor your own growth, preserve your dignity, and foster healthier conversations. Focus on those who are open, curious, and willing to exchange ideas. Let go of the need to win every argument, and instead, invest in connections that nurture understanding and respect. In the end, true strength is knowing when to walk away. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.